Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bubbles. Today's video is gonna be very interesting because I'm gonna create purple smoky eyes with super easy steps that you can also create this look. But before starting my makeup, I am prepping my under eye areas with my Fave serum. You can use any kind of serum that you like the most. After applying serum, I'm filling up my brows with Miss Rose pencil in the shade dark brown. As you can see, I'm not going to make a very sharp shape. Keep brushing your eyebrows while filling them up so that you can create the perfect shape. I'm gonna do the same thing on to the other side, and then I'm applying my favorite concealer. I prefer using concealer as my eyeshadow base because it gives more neat look to my eyes. And after applying concealer, I will set my eyes with my loose powder. You can use any kind of powder that you like the most. And after applying my face powder, I'm applying yellowish orange shade as a transition shade, and after this shade I am taking the dark brown and applying it under the transition shade and blend it well. Now I'm applying the brown shade under the transition shade. At this stage you can see I am having a sharp line, but don't worry, I fix it with the fluffy brush to mix both the shades. And now I'm applying the darkest purple color onto my eyelid with a finger. This is the fake tip that you can have the super pigmentation with the help of fingers. And then again take a clean brush and mix it up. Just blend. Make sure there shouldn't be any kind of harsh line. Now I'm again taking the transition shade and applying it all over the purple eyeshadow. Now dust off all the loose powder you put under your eyes. Here I'm applying the brown shade under my eyes, and after the brown shade I will apply the purple shade. Now blend it well. So yeah, it's time to apply my eyeliner. Here I'm using Sweet Touch eyeliner. Now mascara, some lashes, and ta-da! We've done. I hope you like this look. If you like this look, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.